Ever wondered why some men naturally make women respect them without saying much? It's not about looks, money, or status. It's about how they carry themselves, the quiet rules they live by that make people feel their value without a single word. There was this guy named Daniel. Nothing fancy, not the loudest or richest, but there was something different about him. He never chased attention, never tried to impress. When others got emotional or defensive, he stayed calm, almost unshakable. And that calmness made people lean in. Women noticed it too, because real strength isn't loud, it's steady. Daniel understood one thing most men don't. Your emotions are your responsibility. When someone tried to test him, he didn't snap or argue. He just smiled, stayed silent, and let his actions talk. That silence spoke louder than any comeback. A man who controls his reactions controls the room. And women, deep down, respect that strength. It shows leadership without domination. He also valued himself. If someone crossed a line or disrespected him, he didn't explain or fight for attention. He simply stepped back. No drama, no chasing. That quiet detachment showed self-respect. And the more he valued himself, the more others did too. Because people treat you the way you show them to. Even in relationships, Daniel never lost his purpose. He had goals, dreams, and things that mattered to him beyond love or approval. When he worked on his craft or spent time improving himself, that focus made him magnetic. Women don't respect men who lose themselves in love. They respect men who keep growing, who have direction. And lastly, he had standards. He didn't entertain mixed signals or games. His peace wasn't up for sale. When someone tried to test his limits, he didn't argue, he walked away. That's what most men forget. Respect isn't earned by fighting for it. It's earned by not tolerating what breaks it. By living this way, Daniel didn't need to demand respect. He inspired it. His energy said, "I know who I am," and that was enough. So remember this. When you guard your peace, stay calm, and never trade your purpose for attention, people will respect you more, especially women. Because in a world full of noise, the quiet man who knows his worth stands tallest.